back to another episode. Today we are playing Hearthstone. My friend on the other end of the line is Leo Mackenzie. Say hi. So yeah, we're recording Hearthstone today. Sorry about the lack of uploads, but fuck you guys. Blizzard Wildlife. Fuck you, taking so long! Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, this game's literally glitched out. I'm not even gonna try playing this game. I'm going to do it. See me in about 20 years. See me in about 20 years, lads. um, uh, no, not another bloody. I'll tell you. You can. I'll show you. But I have to load it, man. I have to bloody load it first. If it doesn't load, I can't play it. And it's fucking loading. Ah, I know, man. It's me, a stupid and dumb bitch. I've come all the way to Corner's house to smack his ass. It's finally loaded. Thank you, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. Thank you. It is spelled Y-U-G-I-O. Do you want me to tell them in our voice? Y U G. Yeah, Duel Links. Uh, is it like got like this kid on it with like spiky hair? Uh, let me check. Oh my god! Seriously, have you? I've tried typing in. Type it in exactly as I say it. Y. Oh. Wah, 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 wah. Stop. Y. U. Line. Line thing. Y. U. G. I. Line. O. H. Space. D. Space. L. I. N. Yes. Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ. Try it on your Kindle. No, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. Mm. Oh, good God. Damn you, Yu-Gi-Oh! Damn you! There's no point in me playing it anyway. I've got to sit for a 30 gig download. So. Well, let's just try and log into Hearthstone, man. Hold on, I'm just gonna make some GPU. I'll be back. Where the fuck is my GPU? There we go. Yo, plenty of GPU in the world. Lots of GPU in the universe. There's a lot in court. Yep. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hi. Yeah, yeah. I've just run out of details. Damn it. Got a little bit left. I've scraped the bottom of the barrel here. Just get my fix, man. There we go. Right then. Milk. 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 Yeah, I'm back and it won't load. It's literally not gonna load. It's literally not. Do you want to know the title for this video now? The worst video on YouTube. Yeah, that's actually much better. And guys on the other end who's watching this, consider this your bonus, man. Consider this the viewers, apart from Leo, because you're also with me. This is the worst fucking video on YouTube ever. The strawberry G Fuel, man. The strawberry G Fuel's awesome. Yeah. Oh, come on. It's crashed again. Well, guys. I'm going to end it here because clearly Blizzard don't know how to make a fucking game. So, yeah. You've got this, guys. Enjoy the video. Hope you piss yourselves laughing. Yeah, 'cause this my fucking game won't load. Yep, see you guys. Bye, you motherfuckers.